Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials we are going to start make our website more professional. We are learning how to design your Shopify website or how to make your Shopify store without hiring any developer. And in the previous lesson we have done so far, we have added our menus, slider banner, new arrival image, product, promotional banner image, subscription from popular product, and others part like footer and footer top element. Now we are going to work to make it more professional. So first I want to change the header top section. This one I want to change the color of this section. So to do this I am going to admin panel, then click on the online store. Now going to click on the customize. To change this text, click on the announcement bar, and in the announcement bar we can see the text that we want to change. So just going to copy a text, looks good, and change the background color. Looks good, and we can add a link here like all product. Okay, click on the save and refresh the browser. Now it looks good than previous. Then we are going to change the top menu item font size, increase the font size of this menu item. To do this I am going to click on the right button of my mouse, then open inspect, then click on the element selector and select the menu item. When we have selected the menu item, we get a class here. Its name header menu item span, and here I am going to add new CSS code. So as you are not a coding expert or CSS expert, you just follow the direction and copy and paste the code in the targeted file, and you can see everything right now how I am going to do this. Okay, now click on here and add a new code, font size, then add the font size. Now looks good. Then we can make it more professional. For example, text turns from uppercase, font width looks good. Okay, now going to click on the right button of my mouse and select the copy rule and go to the admin panel, then click on the action button, click on the edit code, and now looks very carefully. This code actually in the base.css file in the line number 2591. So I'm going to open the base.css file. Just search base.css file, then go to the line number 2591, scroll down, 591. Yes, looks here, this one. And now just select and remove and reflex with our code or paste the code that we have added here. So here I have added the code and click on the save and refresh the browser. Now it looks good than previous. Okay, now going to scroll down and we are going to change the image. So go to the theme customization section again, click on the customize and click on the image with text and change the image. Select from free image, search. We have selected this image. Now we can change the image size. Image second looks good. Okay, now it looks good than previous. Click on the update, refresh the browser, looks good.